What is up, guys? Today is leg day. 6 weeks into the bulk. I think I'm going to bulk for another 6 weeks. So a total of 12 weeks because I feel like I'm getting a little fluffy. But today I'm going to be walking you guys through my leg day today. So today right now we're just warming up and doing some warm-up sets, focus on some quads. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's workout. Let's get to it. One of my goals this year, this bulk off season, was to grow my legs because I totally diminished my legs on my last prep because I was doing the Stairmaster like crazy. So it's time to regain some thickness. So right now, just setting up real quick. It's harder to use this machine when you're a short dude. So when I do warm-up sets, I practically just do lightweight. Right now I'm doing 80s, work my way up. Toes are pointed straight. I usually do different angles. Inwards, outwards, works different parts of your quads. All right, so I'm gonna be doing outwards angled. So if my toes facing outwards like this, and then my heels are touching. And I usually do 10 to 12. And what I'll do is I'll hold, squeeze, bring it down. Inwards. This looks weird on camera, but I guarantee you if you try this, you're gonna feel it. All right, so right now, I'm gonna start it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit of a quad pump. I don't have the biggest legs, but it's the off-season goal. Grow them. I mean, if you saw what my legs look like during contest prep, they were shattered. They were destroyed. They were skinny as fud. All right, time to get some hammy action. Ugh. Warm up the hammies. Doing some lightweight. Legs pointed straight. Or toes pointed straight. Slow. Squeeze and slow. Focus. Mind muscle connection on your heels. Heels and slow. 3 to 5 seconds. Now pump out 5 fast. 4, 3. And then I'll do 2 slow. So I like to trick my body that way. I do continuous reps. I'll do continuous reps and then do some slow, fast, and traction ones, and so I can really feel the burn. Mind muscle connection is very important when you're doing these exercises. Knock out a few more of these. Oh man. I only had literally 2 meals prior to working out legs today. It's supposed to be a high day today, but I'm only eating medium day foods. So I don't have enough calories in me today. I didn't plan that properly. Got so many meetings back to back. That's what happens, but just getting the work done. I'm gonna catch up with my food later. Slows. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Knock out 2 fast. 1. All right, some more quad work. Gonna go hands-free first. All right, here we go. Up, my balance. Okay. Down and up. Down and up. Oh. I'm falling. Okay. Next leg. Here we go. My leg is all kind of weird. Okay, here we go. 2, 5, 6. My leg's growing. Sure hope so. There's probably a bunch of girls laughing at me in the comment section right now. This is probably like, this is light work for y'all. I'm just a dude trying to get legs done because I don't typically work legs, but I'm getting better at it. 2 times a week. But girls will probably be doing like 20 reps right now, out repping me. And I'm over here dying. It's okay, we're doing work. All right, so some questions that a lot of people ask is, if I don't got a booty or if I don't got any muscle in my legs, can I grow it, or is it just genetics? For me, I know, because my legs were hella skinny, and I know they're still not the greatest, but I'm improving them. Yes, you can grow your legs, you can grow your butt. You don't have to have like genetics or fat in your butt in order for you to like shape it, right? Some people just don't even try to work out their legs because they feel like, I don't got the genetics, I can't do it. You're gifted with it. And like I said, I don't have like the greatest like legs because I'm improving them, but the key is number one, your diet. If you feel like you're skinny, bulk, lean bulk it. Make sure you're not getting fat, but you're eating like good clean meals that are in a calorie surplus so that you can actually like gain some tissue in those specific areas. And this goes for like anywhere in your body, right? It could be focusing on your legs, your upper body. So number one is growth just by eating. And number two, hypertrophy, really working out those muscles and really focusing and toning. Because if you think that you're just gifted with specific, of course genetics do come into play, but you can work and you can grow these specific body parts and make them look good. Of course, there may be some weak points in your body, but you can always improve them. Don't give up. All right, so the last question that I got from this Q&A, because this is my lunch break, so I got to go back. I know this video is kind of short, but we made do with what we had on this leg day. I know it was only like 3 movements, but hey, you got to work with what you have. And I got a pretty good burn. So this is pretty much like quads and hamstrings, and that's pretty much it. We still got to do some booty, and that's on the next video. But the last question that I get from most people is, if I lift heavy, am I gonna get big? Because I don't want to get big. Like, I don't want to be gigantic. And a lot of these questions I get from my female clients. They don't want to get bulky, they don't want to get big when they think that they're going to lift heavy, but in actuality, it's not the case. In order for you to get big, you got to eat big. And if you're in a deficit like most of my clients, you're going to just be gaining like lean tissue muscle, and you're most likely not going to get big and swole. But if your goal is to get big, you got to eat big, you got to be in a surplus, and that takes a lot of years. I want to encourage you, if you're afraid of like lifting weights and you're only just doing cardio and just, like if you're doing body weight movements, like body weight exercises or like some type of class that doesn't involve weights, I want to encourage you not to be afraid of using weights because it will change your world. You're going to be able to grow in different ways. Muscular wise, of course, you're going to be more toned, but of course you're not going to be gigantic because, like I said, you got to eat big in order for you to get big. And what does that look like? Well, thousands and thousands of calories. I mean, for me, when I'm in a deficit and I'm like dieting down and I'm still lifting weights and I'm still kind of putting on some tissue, like muscle tissue, I'm like eating what, 1,500 calories? But in order for me to like really put on tissue, I gotta eat like 3,000 to 4,000 calories consistently from years on end. And so if you are someone that is new to the gym, don't be afraid of lifting weights. I want to encourage you just to get in there. And if you're afraid, if you're intimidated, like just find a gym partner, have a friend, go there. And if they're like afraid and they don't know how to lift weights either too, I mean, you both are in it in the long run. And so like you guys can experience and discover it together. So I want to encourage you. That's my food for thought today. And my encouragement for you today is if you're afraid of going to the gym, grab a partner and lift some heavy weight. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, follow me on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next video.